Okay, this is the CNC milling machine, and I'm going to jog it. So this is me jogging it. X, Y, Z. And then increase the speed. Change it around.